4 of these M&Ms in the air and try to land it in my mouth, you guys have to smash the like button. Dear guys, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, how did my ever here?
Wanna join my free gift cards giveaway? Subscribe to my channel, like the video and turn notifications on. And finally, tell me on the comment section that you subscribe.
Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video, another day, another banger. Guys, on tonight's video, we have a really insane video, right guys? So guys, on tonight's video, I'm gonna be FaceTiming Creeper from Minecraft at 3 in the morning. And so what happens, guys, alright? For those who doesn't know who's Creeper, boom! This is Creeper, alright guys? He's the scariest thing in Minecraft. And I decided that I want to FaceTime him at 3 in the morning. And so what happens, guys, alright? Because he is really scary in Minecraft. What will happen if I actually FaceTime him at 3 a.m. in the morning? Guys, for those who doesn't know what happens at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. is the time where all the evils and spirits come to earth, guys. And it's their time to do anything they want. That's why I want to FaceTime the scary Creeper on that time and see what actually happens. Alright guys, it's going to be really insane and scary. By the way, look at my teeth, guys. It's because of the M&Ms, alright? So come on guys, right now we are just gonna be FaceTiming the Creeper from Minecraft at 3 a.m. But before this video starts, you guys know what to do. Boom, go follow me on both of my social medias, guys. This is all on screen right now. So follow me on there for a chance to get shout out every video, guys. Like this. Boom is an Instagram shout out. Boom is a Snapchat shout out. Again guys, follow me on there for a chance to get shout out on every video, guys. And go nowhere right now. Smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And turn post notification to be on the notification squad, guys. So come on guys, right now let's just stop messing around. And before this video starts, you know what time it is?
About to turn it on. So come on guys, right now let's just stop messing around and look at the time. Look at the time guys, 3:09 a.m. in the morning right now. And that means it is the time to FaceTime the Creeper, alright guys? Come on guys, I'm just gonna open his WhatsApp right now. Come on, Creeper. Let me just type it in. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Creeper is actually online right now. Look at this, guys. Come on. Look, guys, online. That means we can just talk to him now. Look at this, guys. 3:09 a.m. in the morning. And I can just FaceTime Creeper with this FaceTime button, alright? Come on, let's just open his profile picture for now. Oh my god, look at this, guys. This is Creeper. Like, look how scary he looks. Oh my god, I am really scared of him, guys. Creeper from Minecraft. Come on guys, right now let's just read his bio. Oh my god, read his bio, guys. It says, hey, let's play some Minecraft with a devil emoji. Oh my god, that is really scary, guys. Come on guys, right now I'm just going to text the Creeper. I'm just gonna say, hey Creeper. Come on guys, I just said like, hey Creeper. Let's see if he's actually gonna respond to us, because he is really scary. Creeper, come on. Oh my god, he actually responded. Hello kid? Wait, what does he mean? I just said hey Creeper. He said hello kid. Wait, what? This is already turning out to be really scary. Wait, I'm gonna say, is this the Creeper? Come on guys, I just said, is this the Creeper? Let's see what he's gonna say now. Come on, guys, I'm still waiting. Yo, he's responded again. I am Creeper. Yo, yeah, he is Creeper, guys. Then why did he say hello kid? Come on guys, should I just ask him like to FaceTime me? Come on guys, I'm just gonna say, Creeper, can I please FaceTime you? Come on guys, and I said please. Let's see what he's gonna say now. I said, Creeper, can I please FaceTime you? We really need to FaceTime him, alright guys? We need this to work. 3:12 a.m. in the morning right now. Yo, wait, what? What is this emoji? It looks really scary. Why did he just send me the emoji? I said, can I FaceTime you, Creeper? And then he just sent me this emoji. Wait, what should I say now? I'm gonna say, can I FaceTime you? Come on. Wait. No? You guys, he said I can't FaceTime him. But I really want to. Like, I have to. Come on, guys, should I just go for it? Come on guys, I'm just gonna FaceTime the Creeper right now. Oh my god, he said no, but I'm gonna do it for you guys. Come on. Oh my god,
I'm scared, guys. I just need to cover the number so you guys won't call it, because it is really dangerous and scary, guys. Come on, come on. Let's see if it's actually gonna answer. Creeper, come on, please answer. Come on, Creeper, please. Answer, answer, Creeper, come on. Come on, please. Oh my god, guys, if he answers, it's going to be really insane. Because we can actually talk to the Creeper. Hello? Hello? Creeper? Disconnecting? Hello, Creeper, are you there? Wait. Yo, it just disconnected, guys. He just answered, then he ended it. Wait, what? This is really scary, guys. Oh my god. What can I do now? Oh my god, I really don't know what to do right now. Creeper is FaceTiming me. Creeper is actually FaceTiming me right now. Yo, should I just answer it? Come on, guys, we're just gonna answer it, alright? I'm really scared. Creeper, look at this. Creeper is FaceTiming me. Come on, let's just answer it. Hello?
I'm Creeper.
Creeper?
I'm here to creep you out. La, 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 la,
Hey.
la, la.
What's going on? I'm actually talking to the Creeper. Creeper?
I am Creeper.
I know you are Creeper.
I am Creeper.
God.
I'm on my way to you.
You're on my way? Wait, what? You're on your way to me?
Of course, I'm coming to you now.
Why?
You shouldn't have called the Creeper.
I'm sorry. I'm never gonna do it again.
For you, Creeper is coming for
No, Creeper, I'm really sorry. I'm not gonna FaceTime you again. Creeper.
I'm gonna be on my way now.
Creeper, no, please.
Bye. I'll see you very, very soon.
Creeper.
Creeper.
No, Creeper, please. Hello? Creeper? Yo, I'm just gonna hang up. Oh my god, guys. Creeper said he's on his way to my house right now. And I really don't know what to do. And I really don't want that. Oh my god. No. Let's just go and open the door. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go. Oh my god. Wait. Come on, guys. Let's just go and open the door. Oh my god. Creeper. No. There's no way. It's the Creeper. It's the Creeper. Wait. Where did he go? Wait. He actually opened the door. Yo. Creeper? Where did he go? Oh my god. This is really scary, guys. Yo. Creeper? Oh my god. Look at him, guys. It is actually the Creeper. Yo. Oh my god. There is no way. This is really scary, guys. Look at him. It is the Creeper. Yo, no. Should I go back to my room? Yo, come on. I'm just gonna open the door. Yo, this is really scary. Creeper? Wait, where did he go? Creeper? Oh my god. Where did he go, guys? He was just right here. Oh my god. Creeper? Oh my god. I can't see him, guys. Look. It is the Creeper. Yo. Come on. I'm just gonna go back to my room. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I really don't know what actually happened. The Creeper actually came to my house. Oh my god. I'm really scared right now. I'm creeping out. I really don't know what to do. Oh my god, guys. This is actually really insane. The Creeper actually came to my house. That is really insane and scary at the same time, guys. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the video right over here, because this is like so insane. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end the video right over here, right guys? So make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and turn on the post notification to be on notification squad, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.